In this video, I'll be explaining to you how you can add another card in your Chase Bank application. First is to log in inside the application, and then you must find the account services. Open the Chase Bank app on your device. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Chase Bank app for a smooth experience and access to all their features. Now, after opening the application, make sure that you have already logged in into your account. So you have to locate the account services menu that you can find at the top left corner of the screen, or this hamburger icon. Now just click on the account services after tapping it, and then it will show you the process of adding a new card. Here you have to select the Add a new card option. Well, this option will direct you to the input fields needed to enter your new card's information securely. So input the card details accurately, which are the expiration date of your card, the card number, and the CVV. So double check each entry to avoid errors that could cause the issues later. Now choose the card type from the options that is available in the Chase Bank application. Select whether your card is a credit or debit. Ensure the app processes the information correctly, and just confirm it, and that's it. That's how you can add another card to your Chase Bank application easily, and thank you for listening.